This video is sponsored by a company called Minimal Case. People always purchase the latest, greatest, and most beautiful phones only to hide them inside a bulky case for protection. These cases are made specifically for people who want to show off their phone's look and design. If that's you, rest assured that this case provides protection while being barely noticeable on your phone. There are no branding or logos, and colors may vary depending on the model of your phone. Go on to their website, minimalcase.com, and during checkout, if you put in the code JOANM, you'll receive 25% off your purchase. What is going on? This is Joan from Sharpe Tech, and I'm back. And this video is for all the people who've sent messages in my inbox, the DM, asking about the Raycon E55s. Joan, have you heard them? Joan, what about the Raycons? Well, today I'm gonna tell you the absolute truth.
Sharpe Tech on deck.
Welcome back. Now, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you'd like to get to know me a little better, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. In both places, I'm Jovan367. So I've been wanting to get my hands on the Raycon E55s forever. And for one thing, they launched an extremely strong social media campaign, but I didn't see them at all on YouTube. And it made me wonder, what's really the deal? And today I'm going to explain my findings, and I'm going to tell you the truth. Are they worth the hype? Let's talk about the design and features. The Raycon E55s boast a new chipset, which provides better sound, bass, and Bluetooth connectivity. They are Bluetooth 5.0. They feature wireless charging, they have an extremely comfortable fit, and they work in mono mode. They are Ipx4 Water-Resistant rated, they are noise isolating, they give you a total battery life of 30 hours, and that's 5 hours per charge. They do have touch controls, and you can find those in the instruction manual. As far as video latency was concerned, on iOS, in both YouTube and Netflix, I found none. It was seamless. It was a good experience. Now, let's test the call quality. I am testing the call quality of the Raycon E55 True Wireless Earbuds. I'm testing for clarity and volume. And again, this is only a test. Now, let's get to the moment we've all been waiting for, the sound quality. The volume is loud. The highs are tempered. The mids are recessed. The bass is muddy. Wait. No, that's the truth. There is too much bass in the lower mids and the upper bass. I listen to Don't Stop Till You Get Enough because you already know that's one of my go-tos when I test earbuds. And in the very beginning, when Michael is talking, his voice is muffled. It sounds like he's a mumble rapper. Okay? So what I wanted to hear from these were crisper highs. I wanted the vocals to come forward so I can hear them clearly. I needed those lower mids to get out of the way so when I listen to my classic R&B, the horns and the synthesizers come through. When I listen to We Are the Champions, very strong on the bass guitar, but there's some beautiful piano, there's some beautiful guitar in the opening. And it wasn't clear. And We Are the Champions, Queen sounded like they were singing from within the locker room, okay? So there's some tremendous fine tuning that I think needs to be done. And compared to other earbuds in this price range, I think they could have been a lot better. I'm looking to see more from the Raycons in the future. Right now, they just didn't do it for me. And if I could compare them to the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros, it's not even close. As far as the sound stage is concerned, everything was happening right in the middle of my head. It's like if you were a football team and you had to make every play in between the hashes. Everything is just congested, and I would have loved to hear some of the vocals and backgrounds be a little bit wider, and it didn't happen. So that's my take. Are they worth 99 bucks? Not to me. I've heard $50 earbuds that sound much better. Who these may be for? If you like an extra bass sound signature, very warm music, you might like these. I'm a bass lover, and these were just a little bit too much. The bass was overemphasized, and it took away from the other dynamics of all of the songs that I listened to. I just wanted to go in and turn up the treble. I wanted to just be able to fine tune it. And even the EQ settings in my phone did not correct the issue for me. But if you like bass, and I mean lower mid and upper bass, upper lows bass, and that's your thing, get them. You won't be disappointed. Everyone else, think long and hard. I'm not trying to trash Raycon or Ray J. I love you, Ray J. But please do not assume that the average consumer does not like nor want quality audio, dynamic audio. The same audio that you mix with in the studio, we want it, okay? It's been real, y'all. That's my brutally honest review of the Raycon E55s. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.